You step into your backyard and it's just there. Green, quiet, kind of forgettable, but what if this summer it actually stopped people in their tracks? What if your garden became the thing your neighbors talk about? Today, we're walking through 40 of the most stunning summer flowers you can grow. Whether you've got a big yard, a tiny balcony, or just a few pots sitting by the window. And trust me, some of these are so easy. You'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. Let's start with something that genuinely turns heads. Celosia is one of those flowers that looks almost too wild to be real. With flame-shaped, feathery plumes in deep reds, purples, oranges, and yellows. It thrives in heat and dry climates, which makes it brilliant for summer, and pollinators absolutely love it. If you're after something calm and elegant, the peace lily brings that soft, glossy beauty to any corner of your garden. It doesn't need much light and just asks you to keep the soil moist. That's it. In return, it gives you those clean white flowers that honestly make everything around them look better. Now, sunflowers, you already know them, but there's a reason they never go out of style. They're bold, they're cheerful, and they grow best in full sun. Just protect your seeds from birds early on with a bit of mesh, and they'll reward you all season long. For something a little more tropical, Anthuriums, also called flamingo flowers, bring those striking heart-shaped leaves and long-lasting blooms to humid spots in your garden. They're also said to have a calming effect, which is a nice bonus. Azaleas are the kind of flower that makes you stop mid-walk and just look. They spread beautifully from spring into late fall, attract hummingbirds with their funnel-shaped pink blooms, and carry a meaning of passion and femininity. If you want drama in the garden, this is it. Sea holly is one that not enough people talk about. It's drought-resistant thanks to a long taproot, loves full sun and well-drained soil, and comes in these gorgeous shades of blue, purple, white, and silver. It's the kind of plant that makes your garden look designed, not just planted. If you don't have much space, miniature roses are made for you. Same beautiful bloom as a full-sized rose, just scaled down perfectly for pots, windowsills, and small garden beds. With the right care, they bloom again and again. Daisies are the ones that just keep giving. Month after month of bright white and yellow blooms, almost zero effort required. They're one of the friendliest plants you can add to any summer garden. Delphiniums are tall, striking, and absolutely beautiful. With over 300 varieties growing up to 6 feet, you can find them in shades of blue, purple, white, and pink. They love full or partial sun and well-drained soil. Coreopsis is pure cheerfulness in plant form. It attracts bees, thrives in full sun or light shade, and works well in both containers and garden beds. Give it consistent watering and fertile soil and it will not disappoint. Globe Amaranth brings those round, bold blooms in purples, pinks, and whites, originally from Central America. It loves full sun and a regular watering routine, and adds real visual interest to borders and beds. Lantana is a tough one. Once it matures, it only needs watering about once a week, and it comes in some of the warmest, most vibrant colors you can find: pink, yellow, red, and orange, sometimes all on the same flower head. Morning glories are climbing vines that fill vertical space with color fast. They love full sun and moist, well-drained soil, and those bright, wide-open blooms are impossible to miss. Portulaca is perfect if your garden gets a lot of sun and not a lot of rain. It makes a gorgeous ground cover, works well in containers, and pests rarely bother it. Just keep in mind it's toxic to cats and dogs, so plant accordingly. Alliums add that elegant, globe-shaped pop of purple or white that looks amazing both in the garden and in fresh bouquets. Drought-tolerant and full sun-loving, they're one of the easier ones to maintain. Calamint, also known as Calamintha nepeta, is one of the most low-maintenance fragrant plants you can grow. Light watering, full sun, and it just gets on with it. A quiet workhorse of the summer garden. Geraniums are classics for a reason. Whether you hang them in baskets, tuck them into beds, or pot them up, they're hardy, disease-resistant, and beautiful. Just don't overwater them. Dahlias are showstoppers. The large dinner plate varieties can produce flowers 12 inches across, while the miniature pom-pom types are adorably compact. Either way, they bring serious impact. Bacopas, also called Brahmi, are one of the most versatile plants on this list. The jewel-like blooms come in white, blue, and lavender, and they're one of the best choices for container gardens. Asters are fast-growing perennials native to North America, coming in white, purple, blue, and pink. They prefer full sun or light shade and loamy, well-drained soil, and they just keep blooming. Bougainvilleas are the ones that make a garden feel alive. These lively tropical vines love sunny spots and well-drained soil, and you can train them to grow as cascading baskets or bushy container plants. Angelonias, sometimes called snapdragons, grow up to 18 inches tall in lavender and pink shades, and keep blooming continuously without needing deadheading. A very rewarding plant for very little effort. Clematis are the go-to for filling vertical space with elegance. They need at least 6 hours of full sun a day, and some pruning depending on the variety, but the payoff is stunning. Salvias come in a wide range of colors from deep red to rich purple, love the sun, and don't demand much fertilizer. They're a reliable, beautiful addition to any summer garden. Marigolds are familiar, but don't let that make you overlook them. They bloom in yellow, orange, maroon, and even cream, outlast hot days better than most flowers, and grow beautifully in full sun. Zinnias are incredibly versatile, perfect for borders, containers, or cut flower arrangements. They come in nearly every color except blue and grow anywhere from 4 inches to 4 feet tall. Peonies are the ones that signal summer has properly arrived. Those full, fluffy blooms are hard to beat, and a well-established peony bush can thrive for 50 years or more. Yarrows are dainty and elegant, thriving best in full sun and well-drained soil. They bring a refined, feathery texture to garden borders that few other flowers can match. Foxgloves are a statement plant. Growing up to 6 feet tall in shades of pink, white, and cream, they bloom early in summer and immediately draw the eye upward. If you want height and drama, this is your flower. Carnations carry a long history as symbols of love and distinction, and with varieties ranging from 9 inches to 2 feet tall, there's a size for every space. Their bold hues and full blooms make them worth including. Hibiscus flowers are the tropical showpieces of any garden. Those wide, trumpet-shaped blooms attract hummingbirds and butterflies, and they come in some of the most vivid color combinations you'll find in any plant. They do need plenty of water and fertilizer during blooming, though. Gladiolus are classic summer garden flowers with tall, elegant spires of blooms. They need well-drained soil, moderate moisture, and a lot of sunlight. Just stake the taller varieties if your garden gets windy. Garden cosmos, specifically Cosmos bipinnatus, grow from 2 to 5 feet with blooms in crimson, pink, and white. They're easy to grow from seed and often self-sow, though they don't like rich soil. California poppies grow 6 to 15 inches tall and come in red, pink, orange, yellow, and cream. Sow them directly into the ground since they don't handle transplanting well, and deadhead regularly for continuous blooms. Creeping zinnia, known as Sanvitalia procumbens, stays low at just 4 to 8 inches and spreads in cheerful orange and yellow. It can handle partial shade but needs well-drained soil to perform its best. Coneflowers are beloved by birds and butterflies, and for good reason. They're easy to care for, long-lasting, and make beautiful cut flowers for indoors as well. Daylilies are one of the most forgiving plants you can grow. With the botanical name meaning beauty for a day, the multi-stemmed plants grow in almost any soil type, with very little care needed. Blanket flowers, or Geraniums, look like miniature sunsets with their fading gradient of yellow, orange, red, and sometimes burgundy. They love direct sunlight and will absolutely thrive with it. Hydrangeas can carry an entire garden from late spring right through to early autumn. The blue enchantress variety is especially striking, with dark stems and large mophead blooms that shift between blue and pink depending on your soil's acidity. And finally, lavender. Planted in full sun with well-drained soil, and it will attract birds and butterflies all season long. Dry it out and you've got potpourri. It's fragrant, beautiful, and one of the most satisfying plants you can grow. So there you have it, 40 flowers that can genuinely transform your outdoor space this summer. Whether you're starting from scratch or just want to add a few new things to what you already have, there's something on this list for every kind of garden and every level of experience. Give it a go this season and let your backyard do the talking.